Spreadsheets are everywhere, right? Whether you're working on an app for business, personal use, or any other purpose, it's likely your users are starting with a CSV or Excel file. The quicker you can transform that data into something actionable, the better the user experience. That's where Rocket comes in handy. Whether you're developing an internal tool, a business dashboard, or a personal app, adding a CSV and Excel upload feature provides a fast and efficient way for users to import their data. Manually inputting all that data, well, that's just too time-consuming. And if you decide to build your own import logic, you'll find it takes even longer. But with Rocket, you can bypass all that hassle. Let me show you how to incorporate a file upload feature into a financial tracking app I've created using Rocket. It's already linked with Supabase, so if you're unsure about setting that up, be sure to check out our other video, which guides you through every step. So let's go right into it. Here you'll need to provide a simple prompt, instructing Rocket to add a file upload option that supports CSV and Excel files. This will allow users to upload bulk transactions regardless of quantity. You should extract fields like category, amount, date, and description from each entry. Each transaction is added to the database as if it were a manual entry, with analytics updating in real time, and any new categories found in the file are created automatically. Once the code is successfully generated, the upload feature becomes immediately active within the app. Users can then drag and drop a spreadsheet and Rocket will analyze it in real time. Let's try an example. We will use this sample spending Excel file as our data entry file, which includes fields such as date, description, category, and amount. Users receive a clean data preview, allowing them to map columns like amount, date, and category and review everything before saving. You can even adjust the prompt to filter out duplicates or correct formats if needed. Once confirmed, the transactions are added to the database and the dashboard updates instantly. This enables category-wise breakdowns, spending insights, and real-time charts and summaries. There's no need for back-end code or manual scanning, just clean, structured data powering your app. Let's take a look at the data added from the spreadsheet. You can view the data separately in the transaction history section here. While this demonstration features a financial tracking app, the same workflow can be applied to various scenarios, whether it's uploading contacts into a CRM, importing products into an inventory system, or scanning records into a reporting dashboard. If your users start with a spreadsheet, Rocket makes it easy to transform that data into a fully functional resource within your app. Just prompt it and it's built.